This video is all about the different cities and municipalities comprising the province of Capiz. The province of Capiz is part of Region 6 or Western Visayas, which can be found in the Visayas Island group. Western Visayas is composed of 6 provinces, namely the province of 𝗢𝗡𝗡, the province of 𝗢𝗡𝗡𝗘, the province of Capiz, the province of 𝗖𝗟𝗔𝗦𝗦, the province of Iloilo, and the province of Negros Occidental. The regional center is Iloilo City in the province of Iloilo. The provincial capital of the province of Capiz is 𝗪𝗏𝗧 City. The provincial capital of the province of Capiz is located in 𝗪𝗏𝗧 City. There is only one city in the province of Capiz, and that's the city of 𝗪𝗏𝗧. The 16 other municipalities comprising the province of Capiz are the Municipality of 𝗢𝗚𝗚𝗢𝗡, Municipality of 𝗀𝗢𝗚, Municipality of 𝗓𝗏𝗪𝗓𝗏, Municipality of 𝗓𝗓𝗢𝗓, Municipality of 𝗖𝗟𝗔𝗚𝗓, Municipality of 𝗪𝗓𝗓𝗢𝗡, Municipality of 𝗪𝗓𝗡𝗢𝗓, Municipality of 𝗪𝗓𝗧𝗏, Municipality of 𝗪𝗓𝗡𝗙, Municipality of 𝗪𝗓𝗡-𝗢𝗡, Municipality of 𝗪𝗓𝗡, Municipality of 𝗓𝗏𝗡𝗡𝗘, Municipality of President Roxas, Municipality of 𝗖𝗢𝗡𝗙, Municipality of 𝗧𝗔𝗚𝗎, and the Municipality of 𝗓𝗙𝗧. The province of Capiz is composed of one city, that's 𝗪𝗏𝗧 City, and 16 other municipalities, a total of 17. So there's one city in the province of Capiz, that's 𝗪𝗏𝗧 City, and the 16 other municipalities are 𝗪𝗚𝗚, 𝗀𝗚, 𝗪𝗏𝗪𝗓, 𝗪𝗏𝗪𝗏, 𝗖𝗟𝗔𝗏, 𝗪𝗓𝗏, 𝗪𝗏𝗡, 𝗪𝗪𝗪𝗀, 𝗪𝗓𝗏, 𝗪𝗏𝗡, 𝗪𝗪𝗓, Pontevedra, President Roxas, 𝗪𝗡𝗡, 𝗧𝗔𝗚, and 𝗓𝗙𝗧. Furthermore, the province of Capiz is divided into 2 legislative districts. For the first district, there is 1 city and 6 municipalities, a total of 7. For the first district, we have 𝗪𝗏𝗧 City, 𝗪𝗏𝗡, 𝗪𝗏, 𝗪𝗏𝗡, 𝗪𝗪𝗓, Pontevedra, and President Roxas. For the second district, it is composed of 10 municipalities. We have the municipalities of 𝗪𝗚𝗚, 𝗀𝗚, 𝗪𝗏𝗪𝗓, 𝗪𝗪𝗪𝗀, 𝗖𝗟𝗔𝗏, 𝗪𝗪𝗏, 𝗪𝗪𝗪𝗀, 𝗪𝗡𝗡, 𝗧𝗔𝗚, and 𝗓𝗙𝗧. Again, for the first district, we have 1 city and 6 municipalities, a total of 7. For the second district, we have 10 municipalities, a total of 17 for the province of Capiz. And that's all for this video, which is about the different cities and municipalities comprising the province of Capiz. If you learned something new, please don't forget to click like, leave a comment, and subscribe. Moreover, you might also want to watch the next video on the screen. Thank you very much, and see you in the next video.